Namaskaram. Today we are learning the Simha Kriya, one of the most important Kriyas that I have learned and practiced over time, and I'm passing this to you because of the tough times we are all facing. And trust me, the more you practice this Kriya every single day, the more stronger you will become. Your lungs will become stronger. And it's not about only oxygen, it's the air that you give to your body which works correctly for you. So let's practice the Simha Kriya. Let's learn this Kriya and do it the right way for ourselves, our bodies. What you need to do is sit in an upright position, preferably on the ground. Do not take support from the back. पीठ आपकी बिल्कुल सीधी रहनी चाहिए, पीछे से आप कोई भी तरह का सपोर्ट ना लीजिए. अगर आप चेयर पे बैठे हैं तो आपके दोनों पैर कुछ इस तरह से ज़मीन पर होने चाहिए, लेकिन अगर जितना हो सके आप नीचे बैठने की कोशिश कीजिए. आप इस तरह से अपने दोनों हाथों को अपने नीज पर ज़रा प्रेशर देंगे और फिर अपनी पूरी बॉडी को इस तरह से ऊपर उठाएंगे ताकि आपका पूरा टॉर्सो यानी कि आपका पेट का भाग जो है पूरा खुला रहे सांस लेने के लिए. ठीक है, प्रेशर नहीं देना है. ध्यान रखना है ये क्रिया करने के पहले आप 3 से 4 घंटा का गैप देंगे बिटवीन योर फूड. यू विल गिव अ गैप ऑफ 3 to 4 hours बिटवीन योर फूड एंड दिस क्रिया. You can keep a glass of warm water next to you, which can have a few drops of lemon and some tulsi leaves. So, are you ready with me? You put your pressure on your knees. Pull up your hands like this. Keep this space. You will realize that you have kept this entirely open. Your back is straight. And open your mouth and pull your tongue out like this, completely. And now start breathing in and breathe out from your throat, and let your belly, your diaphragm go in and out. When you breathe in, it will come out. When you breathe out, it will go in. You have to do this 21 times. After you finish 21 times, you have to roll your tongue in like this. Your tongue is out, you roll it in as much as you can. Take it at the back and then keep your mouth open and again breathe from your throat like this. So your tongue is rolled in and you're breathing from the throat. Your diaphragm again going in and out. When you breathe in, it goes out. When you breathe out, it goes in. This also you need to do 21 times. Once you finish, then you keep in the same position. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath and hold the kumbhak. कुंभक में आपको होल्ड करना है, यानी कि विथ फुल ब्रेथ आप जितने लंबे समय तक उसको पकड़ के रख सकते हैं, सांसों को आपको पकड़ के रखना है. उसके बाद आपको पूरी सांसें छोड़ देनी है, लीव इट. एंड इन शून्य यानी कि नो ब्रेथ एट ऑल, यू हैव टू होल्ड योरसेल्फ टिल यू कैन, प्रेफरेबली एटलीस्ट फॉर 15 seconds. एंड देन you breathe in and relax. You have to do this complete kriya for 1 or maximum 2 times, and if you feel like, you can repeat it once again in the day, but that's all. So are you ready? I hope you're all ready. We are going to do this kriya once right now. Sit in an upright position, Relax, take a sip of water if you feel like. Lift your body. इस तरह से अपने शरीर को ऊपर उठाइए, अपने घुटनों पर जोर दीजिए. इस तरह से ज़्यादा प्रेशर नहीं देना है, ध्यान रखिए, प्रेशर नहीं देना है. और जीभ को पूरी तरह से बाहर निकालिए. इस तरह से आंखें बंद कर कर इस क्रिया को अगर आप करेंगे, चश्मा उतार दीजिए, आंखें बंद कीजिए, ध्यान दीजिए, अपने फेस को रिलैक्स रखिए. And you have to start breathing 21 times. Roll your tongue in and start breathing 21 times. If there's saliva, let it be. Don't stop. Take a deep breath and hold in Kumbhak as long as you can keep it, preferably for 1 minute, but at least minimum for 30 seconds. सांसें छोड़ दीजिए. Completely empty yourself of breath. Empty yourself. शून्य यानी कि empty. Exhale completely. Exhale completely. And stay there, preferably for 15 seconds at least. अचानक से अपने शरीर को बहुत सारा ऑक्सीजन दिया है. Your oxygen levels will increase. Not only that, you have made it much stronger. This Kriya is very strong, very powerful. You must do it just about once or twice. And if you have to repeat the Kriya, then repeat it only after 4 to 5 hours. Remember to keep your stomach empty before this Kriya for 3 to 4 hours before doing this Kriya. You can have a sip of water, warm water. And please understand this Kriya can be done by anybody, children, adults, elders. ये क्रिया कोई भी कर सकता है, बच्चे, बड़े, बुजुर्ग. If in troubled times you are feeling extremely weak and you don't know what to do, just do this Kriya and you will suddenly feel a boost of energy and you will also relax your body. But please remember, do not do this Kriya wrongly. It's a very powerful Kriya. इस क्रिया को करने के लिए गलत मत कीजिए. अगर आपको नहीं आता है तो मत कीजिए, लेकिन गलत मत कीजिए. अगर इस पे आपको कोई भी सवाल है तो मेरा नंबर मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया है, आप ज़रूर मुझे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन गलत मत कीजिए प्लीज़. ये मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है आपसे. ओके, प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट to share this with all who would need it, and it will be helpful for them to become better. And of course, do subscribe to my channel, and happy healing to all of you. Thank you and namaskaram.